Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, can you hear teacher now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to hear. Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, so, dear, how are you today? What's that? What's
Wow.
a ball? A small ball?
Wow.
Okay, so by the way, how are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Me too. I'm happy. Okay. Oh, I can see it now. Oh, there are three colors. You have green, red, and white. Okay. Okay, dear. Are you now ready for our class?
And yellow.
Oh, you have a yellow too?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, dear, are you now ready for our class? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. So since you are ready, teacher will now share the screen. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. By the way, dear, thank you for answering your homework. Yes? What's that? Oh, that's very cute. That's very cute. I like it. Mm.
Capybara.
Capybara. Your capybara is very cute. Okay, dear. So, by the way, you did great in your homework. So, thank you for answering your homework, and your answers are correct. So, because of that, I will clap my hands. Yay! Okay. Okay. So, now, dear, this evening, what's that?
Juice.
Oh, juice, juice or milk?
Milk.
Oh, milk. It's milk, not juice. You like it? Do you like milk?
Yes, I do.
Ooh, I like milk too. And milk is good for you. What's that? What's that?
Complete.
Okay. Okay, dear. So now, this evening, we are going to continue our lesson. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So now, we are going to start with this one. Okay? So, here, dear, we are going to look at the pictures and we will learn about the different animals. Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Yes. Okay. So, dear, we are going to talk about pets. Okay?
Yes.
Pets. Yes. So, dear, by the way, pets are animals. It can be an animal, a bird that you have in your house. Okay? So, you put them in your house. Okay. And uh, you are going to take care of them now. Let's look at the different animals here, and teacher will ask you, what are these animals? Okay?
Teacher, I
Yes.
have animals.
You have animals? What
Yeah.
animals? Cat?
Fish.
Fish. How many? How many fish do you have?
Two.
Two. Wow. Can you tell teacher, what color are your fish?
White and red.
White and red.
Orange.
Oh, orange. So white and orange?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you have two fish. Okay. Okay, dear. Now, here, look at number one. Can you tell teacher what is it?
Cat.
Okay, cat. Now, dear, here, there's only one. Okay? Only one. So you will just say cat. Okay? Cat.
Yes.
Okay. Now, here, look. What are these?
These are cat.
Okay, cats with S. Don't forget the S because there are two. So you say cats. Cats.
Cats.
Okay, very good. Again, dear, how many cats?
Two.
Okay, very good. Two cats. There are two cats. Okay?
Teacher, I have three.
You have three. Oh, they're very beautiful. So they're hair clips or hair claw. You put them on your hair. Okay.
For my sister.
Oh, that's your sisters? Okay. They're very beautiful. They look like flowers. I can see flower. Mm. Okay. Okay, dear teacher will ask you a question. Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Me too. I like cats. Okay, now, do you have a cat?
Yes.
Yes. Can you say, yes, I do? Do you have a cat?
Yes.
Okay, again, yes, I do. Okay, dear, how many cats do you have?
One
Only one. What's the color of your cat?
is gray.
Gray. Ooh, you have a gray cat. Okay.
This is my cat, my grandma.
Oh, it's your grandma's cat.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So your
And
grand
cat.
and dog too?
Yes.
Oh, how many dogs?
One.
Only one. What color? What color is the dog?
Black.
It's black. Ooh, it's your grandma's dog?
Yes.
Ooh. Okay. So now here, dear, look. Can you tell teacher what is it? It's
Dog.
a okay, very good dog. Only one. So you will just say dog. Okay. What about the next one, dear? What are these?
Dog.
Okay, again, don't forget the S because there are three here. You say dogs. Dogs.
Teacher. My
Yes.
grandma have fish.
Oh, your grandma have fish too?
Yes.
Okay. So your grandma has a fish. Only one? How many? How many fish? Dear, how many fish?
Many.
How many? Okay. Many fish. Oh, that's very nice. Okay. Again, dear, here we have here dogs. Dogs. Again.
Dogs.
Okay, very good. What about here? Oh, wow. Tweet, tweet, tweet. What is it?
Bird.
Bird. Only one. Do you have a bird?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. Do you like birds? Do you
Yes,
like birds?
too.
Oh, yes, you do. Me too. I like birds, but I don't have birds also. Okay, dear, what about here? Look, there are many. So they are called.
Bush.
Okay, very good. Birds. We are going to add S, okay, because there are many. If there are two or many, many, we add S, okay?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, now look at number four. Oh, look, it's very cute. It's very cute. What is it?
Teacher.
Yes. Oh, you have a, is that a pencil?
Yes.
Wow. Your pencil is very long.
Black and pink.
Black and pink?
Yes.
Oh, do you like it? You like black and pink?
Yes, I do.
Oh, yes, you do. And your pencil is very long. Okay, dear. Now here, look at the picture. Look at number four. Can you tell teacher what is it?
Kangaroo.
No, no, no. It's not a kangaroo. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Okay. No, no, no. Not kangaroo. It's rabbit. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like rabbits?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Okay. Do you have a rabbit?
No, I don't.
Okay, no, you don't. Again, here, there's only one. So you only say rabbit. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, dear, what about here? Look, these are.
These are rabbits.
Okay, very good. Good job. These are rabbits because there are many. So we are going to add S. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. And look, look at the rabbits. There are many colors. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So again, these are the different pets. Again, dear, they are called pets because they can live inside the house. Okay? You can put them inside or even outside your house. And they are just small. They're not very big. Okay? What are you doing? What's that? Is it a carrot?
No.
Hmm. What's that? Is it a cutter?
Yes.
Oh, don't play with the cutter, dear. It's very sharp. Don't play with it. It's very dangerous. Don't play. Don't play with that one. That's very dangerous. You will cut yourself. You will hurt yourself. Okay? Okay. So again, these are the different pets. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, let's continue our lesson. So here, wow, look at the picture. There are many different kinds of animals. Okay, now, dear teacher will ask you a question. Let's start with this one. What is it?
Cat.
Okay, again, dear, you can say it's a cat. It's a cat.
It's a cat.
Okay, so yes, that's it. Okay. So, what about? Okay, dear, look here. What are these?
These are cats.
Okay, these are cats. Okay. So there are many cats here. Okay, dear. What about? Okay, let's start with this one. What is it?
Bird.
It's a.
Bird.
Okay. So it's a bird because there's only one. Okay. So now, what about here? Can you tell teacher what are these?
These are birds.
Okay, very good. These are birds. Okay, good job. Now, look at this one. Can you tell teacher what is it?
This is dog.
Okay, it's a dog. Okay, there's only one. That's why it's a dog. Okay, dear, what about here? What are these?
These are dogs.
Okay, very good. These are dogs. Okay. Now, what about here? Look.
This is rabbit.
Okay, it's a rabbit. Okay, very good. And look, its color white. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What about the last one, dear? Look at this one here. What are these?
These are
These are rabbits. Okay?
rabbit.
Okay. So these are rabbits. Okay. That's it. So now let's continue. Okay. So let's have. Okay, now, dear, here we are going to count how many animals are there. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. Dear, let's start with here. Look at number one. Can you tell teacher how many cats are there? One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four, and
six.
huh? Six? One, two, three, four,
Five.
five. Okay. So you say there are five cats.
There are five cats.
Okay, very good, dear. There are five cats and there are different colors. Okay. So let's have number two. How many dogs are there?
Two.
Okay, so there are two dogs. Okay, okay. So, dear, what about? Okay, here, look. How many birds are there?
Three.
Okay, very good. There are three.
Three.
Three. Okay, look, they're very colorful. Okay,
Teacher, there are three.
yes, there are three. There are three birds and they are very colorful. Okay, many,
Yeah.
many colors. Yes. Okay. Okay, dear, what about where are you? Hello.
Teacher.
Oh, oh, yes, I can see it. Okay, dear, look at the number four. Look at number four. Can you tell teacher how many rabbits? How many rabbits?
One,
Only
two,
one?
three, four.
Okay. Very good. There are four rabbits. Okay. So four rabbits. Okay, so that's it, dear. You did a great job here. Now we are going to sing about cats, dogs, birds, and rabbits. Dear, are you now ready? Do you want to listen to the audio?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So we are going to listen and sing. So here, teacher will share the audio so that you can hear. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So we are now going to start. Okay, here, teacher will share the audio.
Everybody up. Student book start. Page 41. D.
Okay, dear, can you hear it?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to look at teacher's screen. Oh, I cannot see you. Where are you? Oh, I can see you now. Okay, I can see you now. So let's listen and sing, okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's start. Listen and sing.
Sing. Cats, dogs, birds, rabbits.
Cats and dogs, birds and rabbits. Cats and dogs,
Birds
birds
and
and
rabbits.
rabbits. Let's count. One cat, one dog,
Okay, dear,
one
look at the
bird,
picture.
one rabbit. Two cats, two dogs, two birds,
Two
two
rabbits.
rabbits. Three cats,
Three
three
dogs.
dogs, three birds,
Three
three
rabbits.
rabbits.
Four
Four
cats.
cats,
Four
four
dogs.
dogs,
Four
four
birds.
birds,
Four
four
rabbits.
rabbits.
One cat,
One
one
dog.
dog,
One
one
bird.
bird,
One
one
rabbit.
rabbit. Two cats, two dogs, two birds,
Two
two
rabbits.
rabbits. Three cats,
Three
three
dogs.
dogs, three birds, three rabbits. Four cats,
Four
four
dogs.
dogs, four birds,
Four
four
rabbits.
rabbits. Cats and dogs, birds and rabbits.
Okay. That's the song. What's that? What's that, dear? You have a paper.
Pepper.
Paper, yes. Okay, dear, so very good. You did a great job this evening, but we don't have much time left anymore. We will just continue our lesson next time, and teacher will send you your homework in the chat box, okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, dear, that's it for this evening. We don't have much time left. Teacher needs to go and see you next time. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Happy
Bye.